This window here is the welcome screen for Adobe Illustrator CS3, and it will launch automatically every time you launch the application. Of course, I'll tell you how to get rid of this window so you can not see it when you launch, and then I'll show you how to get it back just in case you miss it. As you can see here, on the left column, we have the ability to open a recent item, and the items that you worked on last, of course, will appear in this list. Likewise, you can also click the Open folder here to navigate through your system to find a file you like to work with in Illustrator. On the right column, we have some presets here, and these are going to help you to create certain types of documents, such as a print document, a web document, a mobile device document, video, film, CMYK, which is good for going right to the press, and a basic RGB document, and this folder here, which will open up a template for you. Now you'll also notice that when I put my mouse over some of these, we see that we can hold down the Option key to skip the dialog box that will appear. For example, if I click Video and Film, you'll notice that the dialog box appears and asks us to enter parameters if we so desire. I'll cancel that, and this time I'll hold down the Option key, which would be the Alt key on Windows, and click Video and Film, and the document opens up for me without having that dialog box appear. And that's really what that will do for you. Let me go to the Help menu and go back to my welcome screen, because that's where it lives. And now I can also choose to open a file from a template that is provided by Adobe. And as you see, it's in a folder called Cool, Extras, Templates. And you have some basic documents in here, such as Artistic, which include business cards, CD and DVD covers, portfolios, postcards. We have blank templates, which are good for banners and that kind of thing. Environmental for brochures, letterheads, event planning, film, and many more. We also have inspiration in here, so you can see some band things here, clubs, extreme sports, spas. They really went the extra mile to show you some documents that you can really bring into the application, and you can modify these at will. So I'll open up Shopping Bag, and it opens up the shopping bag, and as you see here, I can change it and I put it on my shopping bag, so it's kind of cool. So let's go back to the welcome screen dialog, and I'll tell you also how you can see some new features and access the help. So if I go ahead and click, for example, new features or resources or getting started, chances are it's going to open up the help viewer as you see here. And you can find out how to use the application on your own through these different categories here. So you can click work area, for example, and find out some of the categories you might be interested in, and click viewing artwork, about page tiling, and now you can find out about how to do these operations in Illustrator. Let me jump on back to Illustrator. And now I'll show you how to tell the dialog box not to appear when you launch the application. So you click here, Don't Show Again, and upon the next launch of Adobe Illustrator, the dialog box will not appear. But as I said before, if you do miss the dialog box and you do want it to launch, just go back to the Help menu at any time, choose Welcome Screen, and make sure you don't have this enabled. And the Adobe Illustrator CS3 welcome window will be there whenever you're ready.